The agriculture sector is no doubt the backbone of the economy, and more so in our state, where 62% of the people are directly connected to agriculture activity. So this is the backbone in our state. And the farmers are the main architects in building such robust ecosystem. Having recognized the importance of this sector, we've come out with various initiatives to support the sector in a very big way. For instance, this Raitu Bharosa scheme, which is connected to the PM Kisan as well. So together, YSR Raitu Bharosa PM Kisan scheme supports the farmer, giving them 13,500 rupees as production cost initiative. This actually helps the farmers in reducing the cost of production, because most of the farmers in Andhra Pradesh, 50% of them have less than 1.25 acres, that is half hectare. And if this number were to be dragged on to 1 hectare, you would cover 70% of the farmers. So this 50% of the farmers who actually own less than 1.25 acres of land, to them, this 13,500 PM Kisan contributing 6,500 and the rest contributed by the state government. Together, this 13,500 is given in 3 installments. One installment during the May, just before the Kharif season starts, and in October this month, that is just when the Kharif crops comes for cutting, and the beginning of Rabi season as well. And then that's when another installment is given. And the last installment is given during the month of January in Sankranti, which is actually Farmers' Festival. So this is a huge scheme which actually, for these 50% of the farmers who have less than 1.25 acres of land, to them, this 13,500 takes care of 80% of the production cost for 80% of the crops. So it's a huge incentive, what is currently prevailing in Andhra Pradesh. And the Raitu Bharosa Kendras are also one such scheme where every rural village, every village has got an RBK. That is 10,600 RBKs, Raitu Bharosa Kendras are present in these 10,600 villages. And these RBKs deliver quality, tested, guaranteed by state government products such as seeds, fertilizers and pesticides at the doorstep. This is the farmer just goes to the RBKs, there's a kiosk there, and he books in whatever he wants, whatever pesticides he wants, whatever fertilizer he wants, whatever seeds he wants. He just puts in the data, pays the money, and quality tested, guaranteed by the state government, products are door delivered directly through these RBKs to the village. So this is not only does these RBKs do this, but they also are interactive in mode, which they actually give advices to the farmers as well. Other than that, the very important aspect what these RBKs undertake is e-cropping. In that village, there's an agriculture assistant present in the RBK, there's a surveyor present there, there's a revenue assistant there. All of them are present in RBKs connected to the Grama Secretariat. So this actually enables the e-cropping. Now, this is where I want to stress the importance of e-cropping. And also self-help group women have been supported by the state government through a program by name Asara, which is actually also a similar kind of program like Cheyuta, which support the same group, same women, 4 years consistently in a row, and also trying to uplift their livelihood standards. So in this sector also, in great detail, my people have already explained. So by and large, in totality, while I appreciate the help rendered by the bankers, my request to you is we need your support in a bigger way. And I thank you for the time.
Subscribe to Social TV Telugu for more videos. Hit the bell icon for faster updates.